What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to draw Cuphead. Now for today's lesson I'll be drawing with a black Sharpie marker. Let's start at the top of our page and draw that curve for the top of the cup. We're going to start over on the left side of our page, start with a curve going up towards the top, and we'll just bend that out towards the right. Now you want to connect the ends of that curve with a large half circle. So we're going to start back on the left side, bring this all the way down towards the bottom, round up the head, go up, and then in. Now with the cup in place, we can start adding the facial features. There's a few overlapping parts, so we'll start with the one on the top, which is the left cheek. So we start up here, start with a circle with an open end on the left side. We go all the way around, and then pull that back up. And we'll add a fold along the top and bottom of the cheek. From this line, we step up, curve up, and out. From the bottom we'll step down, curve out and down. Now I'm going to layer the left eye in behind the cheek. Let's start from the very top, start with a straight angle line coming down towards the nose. And then from here we're just going to curve the eye coming down and up underneath the cheek. So bring this down, bend that up. Let's continue that curve on top of the cheek, going up towards the top. Let's go back to the inside of the eye, move over and draw an oval for the nose, going all the way around, and then back up. And then we'll tuck the right eye in behind the nose. Starting from this point, curve this down and out. Continue that curve along the bottom of the nose, going around, and then back up towards the top. Now let's go back to the cheek and draw in the mouth. We're going to start underneath the cheek, curve the mouth coming down, going up. And then we'll round up the side of the mouth, bring that down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the cheek on the inside, curve the mouth coming down, and then we'll just bend that out towards the bottom of the mouth. Let's add the tongue along the inside, starting right here, curve up and out towards the left, come down towards the bottom. Now we're just going to tuck the right side in underneath. So we'll go all the way around and then back in. Let's go back to the eyes and draw in the pupils. We're going to start right in the center, start with a V shape going sideways. And we'll connect the top and bottom with a long oval, going up toward the top, coming down along the inside, and then pull that back up. Let's draw the exact same thing over on the right. So we're just going to move over, draw that sideways V, go up to the top, rounding up the top of the eye, coming down, and then back up. Let's fill the pupils in black. Now that we've drawn the head, let's move over toward the left side and draw in the handle. From this top point, we're going to step down, draw a half circle, going out, and then back in. Let's trace this along the inside. From the top, we're going to step down, draw another half circle. Let's add the straw on the left side of the head. From this point, we're going to step in, draw a straight angle line going up and out, and then curve the bottom, going down and out. Let's round up the end of the straw, up towards the top, and it'll follow this curve coming back down towards the head. Start with that curve going out and up. Just going to round up the top, and then pull this straight down with that same angled line. Now we're going to add some stripes inside that straw. From this point, curve up and over towards the right. Going back to the inside, we'll step down, draw another curve going across. Let's add one more stripe on the left side. From here, bend it out and up, move over, and then draw that again. Now we're going to move down and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. Let's start underneath the handle, start with the left arm curving out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's round out the wrist with a small curve, and it'll follow that same curve going back up and in underneath the head. Let's go back to the wrist and round out the cuff, drawing a small bracket on either side. And it'll draw the thumb on the inside. Start with an overlap, stepping in, curve in, and then back out. And then we'll add a bracket on the end of the thumb. Let's draw 3 fingers along the bottom. Starting underneath the thumb, start by curving down and up around that bracket. Step down, draw another curve, coming down and up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go all the way out toward the side and just tuck that in underneath the cuff. And now we're going to add 3 lines along the back, starting with one in the middle, angle the ones on the side. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of the arm, curve the body going out and then down towards the hip, go all the way over towards the right side and draw that same curve. Let's connect the hips with the curve going up and then down. Now you want to take that arm and flip it over on the right. Let's start from the top of the body, curve the arm going out and then bring that down, round out the cuff, and follow that same curve going up and in underneath the head. Let's go back to the wrist, draw 2 brackets for the cuff, and then we'll draw that same thumb, starting with the overlap, curving in and then out, and we'll add a bracket. Now let's add those 3 fingers, starting underneath the thumb, we're going to come down and then up around that bracket, step down, come down and up, and then the 3rd finger, again going all the way out towards the side and tucking that in. Let's add those 3 lines, starting with the middle and then angle out the sides. Let's go back to the bottom of the body and round out the hips, starting on the left side, going around and then in, go to the right side and do the same thing. Now I want to overlap the body on top of the shorts. So on the left side, I'm going to step out, angle down and out with a short line, do the same thing on the right, and then we'll round up the bottom, going down and up. Then draw 2 straight lines going up towards the lower torso, and then we'll overlap a curve going down and up. And now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the shorts. Then inside point, step out, angle down and out. Do the same thing on the right. I'm going to step out and draw that again. Let's connect the bottom of the leg with a curve, going down and up. And I'll wrap the cuff around the ankles. On the left side, step up and draw a bracket, going around and then in, and from the inside, going in the opposite direction. From the inside of the cuff, I'm going to curve the heel coming in and then out towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go back over towards the left side. We curve this down and up. Add another curve, going down and then out towards the edge of the foot. And then from the outside of the foot, I'm going to curve this up, round out the foot, and just come down along the side of the cuff. Now we're going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. On the left side, we're going to step up, just follow those curves coming in and towards the heel, and do the same thing on the right. And then we'll go all the way back up to the top and add in the eyebrows. Leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side, curve the eyebrow going up, and then bend that down. Go to the right side, going up, and then back down. And that's pretty much it. This is a drawing of Cuphead. Now if you enjoyed today's lesson and you want to take it to the next level, please join me on our main channel at Cartooning Club. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.